Fart Faces! Today we have a very special unboxing from the one and only Craftibly. You can't really see that, but it's from Craftibly. I won their contest. They had a contest going on and I was like, oh, I'm never gonna win. So many people are going to enter, and I actually ended up winning. I won a canvas, and then I was like, hey, can I, since you're shipping me my canvas that I won, can I also add on to my order? So I actually ordered another canvas to go along with it. Oh, ooh, yes. So it comes in shipping tubes. That's a heavy tube. A heavy tube. And then there's this other one. Whoa. Okay, let's take a look at this one, which is the one that I won. So it comes in this tube. This is my very first Craftibly like ever. So here is the thumbnail. Comes in this really nice tube. How do we open the tube? There's some tape that we need to get rid of. It was very cool of them to have a contest and to leave it open for international winners, because I know that shipping to Canada can suck. Just to give you an idea, when I was looking at ordering from Craftibly, shipping was going to be $30, and I was like, oh, that is a lot. That's almost the price of a canvas. So I was happy that I was able to jump in on my prize and get an additional canvas, which I'll show you in another video. Here are the drills. So you can see here's a thumbnail again. It's called Celebrate Sunrise. Ooh, and it's a square. I had no idea that it's a square, and it measures 50 by 30. So just a smaller canvas. I'm really excited about it. I've seen unboxings of Craftibly's canvases before, but I've never held one in my hands, and I've never like experienced it firsthand, so I'm stoked. So you get a white tray, a little jar of wax. Ooh, you also get a heart of wax, which is cool. Some tweezers, a squishy. Let's see. This is a 7-placer. Another 7-placer. So I got 2 7-placers. And a blue pen. So that's what comes in the kit. Let me just shove this away. Cool. That's a really decent kit. I like it. I like this bag too because it's so soft. Ooh, there's a little piece of reading material in here. Wow. This must be if you can't read well, like if you have bad eyesight. Why is it so big? That's what she said. It's literally like this I believe is a sticker, and you can use it to kit up. But it's literally like so huge. Why? Why is it so huge? That's helpful. Use this sticker sheet to label your bags of diamond drills, catalog your colors, or keep record of your completed work. Yeah, I like that they include this. I think if you do use smaller containers, like I'm just gonna use the bags that they came in, just to be honest, like, because they're already kitted up pretty much when they come in bags. But if you use smaller containers, these stickers might be way too big for you. But I do appreciate that they include this. That's really nice of them to include a label. Here's some instructions on how to diamond paint. If you have issues, here's their customer service contact information. Unroll your new diamond painting. Open your bag of diamonds. Okay. You also get this. This must be to keep your drills in. I'm thinking, what is this for? Does it say? So it doesn't look like it says what this bag is for, but I'm imagining you can put your drills in it if you're tucking your diamond painting away. Or you could probably put this in here too. Like if you drink at your diamond painting desk or something and you don't want this thing to get wrinkled, you could probably put it in this bag too. This bag is really nice though. Okay. Let's take a look. The canvas. I'm just going to roll it the other way. It is poured glue, so it's safe to do this. that sits straight for you guys. Ooh. Oh, this is pretty. Cool. So it's very pretty. Scalloped edges. And on the left hand side you have your schematic, and on the right hand side you have a schematic. There's information about the canvas. There's DMC numbers. Wow, it looks like it is 38 colors. That's a lot of colors for a canvas this size. It's really pretty. It's kind of just like you're chilling on the beach, sitting with your friends. Here's some palm trees. Let's see. Yeah, that's kind of neat. I like it. It looks very pretty. Like, also, like, this is a better picture than the sticker one because the sticker one actually crops it. But look at the detail in the sky. So that pink is going to be up here. You can look at the drill field. I've never seen a drill field in real life of Craftibly's. Looks clear to me. Everything looks clear to me. Like, there's nothing that's like super blurry or anything. Look at the chair. Yeah, this looks really nice. See how sticky? Oh yeah, it's sticky. I don't know why. I don't really do the sticky test often, but sometimes I just want to like touch it to see what happens. Okay, so let's get this out of the way and let's look at the drills. I'm going to be lazy and not take the drills out, because I don't want to have to sort them back into order. So we can take a look at the drill colors through the bag, sort of. There's that, some pink, some purpley pink. Lots of like earthy, water, neutral colors. So yeah, just a really quick unboxing. Again, here is the canvas. Here's the tube it came in. Is that gonna be my thumbnail? I don't know. This is gonna be my thumbnail. Here's my thumbnail for this sticker for this video. Thank you so much for joining me for my quick unboxing. Again, this is called Celebrate Sunrise. It is available on Craftibly's website, and I won this in a contest. So I did not pay for this canvas, just to let you guys know. I won it in a contest and they shipped it to me along with another diamond painting, which I will have an unboxing for shortly. Thank you so much for joining me again. If you're new here, go ahead and hit subscribe. You can keep up to date with my videos. I do upload new ones on a weekly basis. And I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Okay, bye!